Welcome to Abstralbus. Reversing a string is a good algorithmic challenge to solve using JavaScript. Challenge is to create a function that takes a string as an argument and returns a new string with the reversed order of characters. In this video, we will look into that. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing similar content on this topic. Okay, so there are a number of ways to reverse a string in JavaScript, such as define a function named reverseString that takes in a single parameter, str. Use JavaScript methods such as split, reverse, and join to reverse the order of the characters in the string. The split method is called on the input string, and it splits the string into an array of individual characters. The reverse method is then called on the resulting array, which reverses the order of the elements. The join method is called on the reversed array, which combines all the elements in the array back into a single string. Call the function with the argument, which, when is passed to the function, returns a reversed string. And here is the result. Basically, we can use reverse method to reverse the order of the elements in an array using JavaScript, but we are dealing with a string here. That is why we split string, reverse order of string characters, and then join the characters in this case. Okay, we can also use a reduce method to reverse a string in JavaScript. To do that, define a function named reverseString that takes in a single parameter, str. Use JavaScript methods such as split and reduce to reverse the order of the characters in the string. Call the function with the argument, which when passed to the function will return reversed string, and we have reversed string here. I have already talked about split method. The reduce method is being called on the resulting array from split. It takes two parameters, a callback function and an initial value. The callback function takes two parameters, rev and char, where rev is the accumulator which is used to store the reversed characters, and char is the current element of the array. The arrow function returns the concatenation of char and rev, which keeps adding the characters to the rev in reverse order. The initial value passed to reduce is an empty string. So this is how we can use reduce method to reverse a string in JavaScript. Rev, char, char plus rev. We can also use a for-of loop to reverse a string in JavaScript. This is a really interesting method. No JavaScript method is used to reverse string in this way. Just a loop. Here's how we do it. Define a function named reverseString that takes in a single parameter, str. Declare a variable named reversed and assign an empty string to it. This is a common pattern. Usually, after we declare a function, immediately we declare a variable with empty string or array. It stores the results. We return its final value at the end of function. Okay. Start a for-of loop. The for-of loop iterates over the characters of the input string using the let char of str or let character of str. Characters of string. It's the syntax for let element of input. On each iteration, the current character char is concatenated to the beginning of the reversed string by using plus operator. This continues for each character in the input string, and after the loop, the reversed variable holds the reversed version of the input string. I'll get back to this, alright? At the end, return the value from reversed variable. Call the function with the argument which, when passed to the function, will return reversed string. Okay, so string is reversed, but how? No method is being used, no JavaScript method. We only iterated through characters of string. Look at this. Console log reversed, and it gave us CAC RAC. CAR RAC. There were 3 iterations. First, stored first character from string C, in variable reversed. Second, AC. Third, RAC. Because we are storing current character, and last stored string in reversed variable. Value that will be stored here will be current character plus reversed plus value of this variable. At the end, it became opposite of original string. Now see this. If I remove reversed plus reversed from here, you see this CAR R from this input. We are storing character plus string stored in the reversed variable in each iteration. Value of reversed is being replaced after each iteration. It is very interesting process. Console log it and look at it for a good few seconds and you will see the whole process. That's it. These are few ways you can reverse a string using JavaScript. Let me know in comments if you know an interesting way to reverse a string using JavaScript. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.